Welcome to Trivia on Tap, where we prepare you to win bar trivia and increase your general knowledge. Subscribe for daily trivia videos and comment below with how many answers you got correct. Let's get started with some programming languages trivia. What programming language was created by Guido van Rossum? Is it A, C# or Python or C, Ruby or D, Java? The correct answer is B, Python. Which language is known for its use in web development and was created by Brendan Eich? Is the correct answer A, JavaScript or B, Ruby or C, Python or D, HTML? The correct answer is A, JavaScript. Which programming language is known for its use in developing Android apps? A, Ruby or B, Swift or C, Java or D, C#? The correct answer is C, Java. Which language is known for its strong emphasis on functional programming and is developed by Microsoft? A, F# or B, C# or C, TypeScript or D, Visual Basic? The correct answer is F#. What language is commonly associated with statistical computing and graphics? A, Python or B, Java or C, C++ or D, R? The correct answer is D, R. Which language is developed by Apple for iOS and macOS development? A, Python, Ruby, C, Objective-C, D, Swift. Is it Python or B, Ruby or C, Objective-C or D, Swift? The correct answer is D, Swift. Which language is known for its concurrency model and runs on the Java Virtual Machine JVM? Is it A, Python or B, Scala or C, C# or D, PHP? The correct answer is B, Scala. What language is often used for system programming and is known for its use in operating systems and embedded systems? Is it A, C or B, Java or C, Python or D, JavaScript? The correct answer is A, C. Which language is known for its use in scientific computing and is developed by MathWorks? Is it A, MATLAB or C, Fortran or D, Python? The correct answer is B, MATLAB. Which language is known for its use in artificial intelligence and was created by John McCarthy? A, Lisp or B, Prolog or C, Python or D, Java? The correct answer is A, Lisp. What language is known for its association with the Ruby on Rails web framework? Is it A, Python, B, Ruby, C, JavaScript or D, PHP? The correct answer is B, Ruby. Which language is known for its use in competitive programming and is a successor to the B language? Is it A, Java or B, JavaScript or C, Python or D, C++? The correct answer is C++. What language is known for its use in database management and is pronounced as SQL? A, SQL or B, Python or C, Java or D, HTML? The correct answer is A. What language is known for its use in high-performance computing and scientific research and was developed by IBM? Is it A, Python or B, Java or C, C++ or D, Fortran? The correct answer is D, Fortran. What programming language is known for its use in game development and was created by Epic Games? A, Java or Python or C, C# or D, Unreal Script? The correct answer is D, Unreal Script. Which language is known for its use in text processing and was created by Larry Wall? Is it A, Ruby or B, Perl or C, Python or D, Java? The correct answer is B, Perl. What language is known for its use in distributed systems and was created by Google? Is it A, Python, or B, Swift, or C, Go, or D, Java? The correct answer is C, Go. Which language is known for its use in developing Windows applications and was created by Anders Heilsberg? Is it A, Pascal, or B, Java, or C, C#, or D, Python? The correct answer is C#. What language is known for its use in developing enterprise applications and is often abbreviated as JSF? Is it A, JSF, or B, Python, or C, JavaScript, or D, Ruby? The correct answer is JSF. Which language is known for its use in robotics and was created by Willow Garage? A, RPA, or B, ROS, or C, Java, or D, Python? The correct answer is B. What programming language is known for its use in developing web servers and was created by Rasmus Lerdorf? A, Ruby, Python, or C, JavaScript, or D, PHP? The correct answer is PHP. Which language is known for its use in functional programming and was developed by Joe Armstrong? A, JavaScript, or B, Elm, or C, Erlang, or D, Haskell? The correct answer is C, Erlang. What language is known for its use in the blockchain and was created by Gavin Wood? Is it A, C++, or B, Solidity, or C, JavaScript, or D, Python? The correct answer is B, Solidity. What language is known for its use in scientific computing and data visualization and was developed by John D. Hunter? A, Matplotlib, B, Python, C, R language, D, Java? Answer choice A or B or C or D. The correct answer is A, Matplotlib. Which language is known for its use in text processing and was created by Ken Thompson? A, Python, or B, C++, or C, awk, or D, Perl? The correct answer is C. Which programming language is known for its use in system administration and was created by David Korn? A, Korn Shell, or B, Bash, or C, Python, or D, Perl? The correct answer is A, Korn Shell. Which language is known for its use in developing desktop applications and was created by Walter Bright? A, Python, B, C, Java, D, C#. The answer choices are A, Python, or B, or C, Java, or D, Netflix. The correct answer is D. Which language is known for its use in game development and was created by John Carmack? Is it A, Python, or B, DoomScript, or C, C++, or D, Java? The correct answer is B, DoomScript. What language is known for its use in developing scientific applications and was created by Kurt J. Schmucker? Is it A, Java, or B, C++, or C, Python, or D, S? The correct answer is D, S. Which language is known for its use in artificial intelligence and was created by Alain Kolmogorov? A, Lisp, or B, Python, or C, Java, or D, Prolog? The correct answer is D, Prolog. Which language is known for its use in developing operating systems and was created by Linus Torvalds? Is it A, C++, or B, Java, or C, Linux, or D, Python? The correct answer is C, Linux. Which language is known for its use in developing desktop applications and was created by Nicholas Wirth? Is it A, JavaScript, or B, C++, or C, Pascal, or D, Python? The correct answer is C, Pascal. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.